I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Binance using the phone and on Binance website. So let's start by typing the website, which is binance.com. Then you go to the menu so as to log in. You can use your email or phone number that you have used to register with on Binance. I'm going to use my email. I'll also verify with passkey. Passkey is like fingerprint or like a password, depending on what you have put. And now we are logged in into my Binance account. As you can see, I have 30.94 USDT in my wallet. So we'll proceed to the menu, then click on trade and select P2P. We are then going to select sell. Since we want to sell crypto, we are going to sell USDT. It's already selected. If you have any other crypto, you're just going to click USDT and select from the options available. Okay, this is like an alert for trading to keep you safe. So you select crypto USDT. If you have BTC, you're going to select BTC. Then the currency, if you want to be paid in Kenya shillings, select Kenya shillings. If it's any other currency, scroll or search here at the search bar and you can find your currency. So we are going to proceed with Kenya shillings. Okay, let me put in desktop mode so that the screen can be wider. So we have already selected the crypto, it's USDT, which is also called Tether. The fiat currency we have selected is Kenya shillings. For the payment, you can select from the various options available. Let's stick with M-Pesa, since that's where we want our money sent. And as you can see, the ads have refreshed. We are getting the ads which accept M-Pesa payment. Then for the transaction amount, you can put any amount. Let's say you want to sell crypto for 10,000, you can put there 10,000 so that the ads can be filtered and you'll get the ads from 10,000. Or you can just leave it like that and scroll until you find the merchant that you'd like to trade with. So let me give you a bit of tutorial of how the P2P interface works. So basically, you can see the merchant. Like for example, the second one is called Clover Crypto Rapid. That is how the merchant is calling himself on Binance P2P. And you should check the reputation of merchants before deciding who to trade with. As you can see, Clover, he has had 837 orders on P2P since he started trading there. Also, his completion rate is 99.50% out of 100, which is a pretty good percentage. Also, the likes stroke the ratings are 100%. That means that mostly the positive ratings are the dominant one. And also for the time, the 45 minutes you can see is that the time that he has set to make payment with. So if I click on send USDT to him, that means that I am okay with him taking up to 45 minutes to make the payment. And I can't raise any question until the 45 minutes are over. If the time is too much, I can go to another, like the Metrowave has 30 minutes to make payment. If I think 30 minutes is too much to wait, I can go to Kabananga Wise. He says that he can make payment within 15 minutes. After which, the 15 minutes are over, the order automatically cancels since he has not made payment within that time. So that's how P2P works. Also back to Clover Crypto Rapid. Next you can see 129.45 Kenya shillings. That is the rate that he is buying USDT with. He is willing to buy 1 USDT for 129 shillings and 45 cents. Also this Clover Crypto, he is willing to buy crypto from those who have USDT worth above 150,000 Kenya shillings. If you have that USDT like mine, which are around 4,000, I can't sell to him, since he is willing to only trade with only those who are willing to sell him crypto worth above 150,000 Kenya shillings. Also, he is accepting payment method for M-Pesa. That is the one you send M-Pesa money and M-Pesa pay bill. So if you match with him to sell USDT, You will pay the Kenya shillings to your M-Pesa or to your pay bill, whichever you select as your payment method. So we don't match with Clover since the order limit is high. Also, you need to check whether the merchant is online by checking the green dot on the merchant's profile. That means he is online. If there is no green dot, maybe it's gray or there is none, that means he is offline, and that can be a bit stressful waiting for someone to get online, and maybe you are in a hurry and you need the cash. So let's check another trader since we are not within the limit of Clover Crypto. The next is Metrowave. He is buying crypto from 20,000 Kenya shillings. We don't fit on that as well currently. Next is 100K, then 20,000, then 10,000, 15,000. You can scroll like this until you get a merchant who is within your range of crypto that you want to sell. If you don't want to scroll like this, you can just search at the transaction amount. So let's go with Sergio 598. Since you can see he is buying crypto from 3,000, but you need to check if his payment method fits what we allow or we are willing to accept. Yes, as you can see, he is also paying using M-Pesa Safaricom. That is good, and that is the best that you can get. So we are going to sell the 30 USDT at the rate of 129.25. Since the others are above 3,000 and our crypto, I think it is around 4,000 maximum. So let's match with Sergio. As you can see, he is online. He has had 8492 orders and he has 99.7% completion rate. He also has 99.64 positive reviews, and he has a timer of 15 minutes, which is a good one because you don't want to be kept waiting for the money. So he can either pay us using Airtel Money, Equity Bank, bank transfer, or M-Pesa. And we can sell him crypto from 3,000 to 600,000 Kenya shillings. Yes, if I had crypto worth 600,000 Kenya shillings, I could just press here sell, and he sent me the 600,000 Kenya shillings to the payment method I provide. But for now, let's proceed to sell that USDT that we have. Okay. So once we click the sell USDT, we are going to check Sergio's terms for this trade. He says, kindly confirm payment and release crypto ASAP. Kindly leave a positive remark and thanks for trading with me. Okay, that's good. So we are going to sell all the crypto that we have. And as you can see, we only have 17.99 USDT on funding section. For you to trade on P2P, you need all the crypto to be on the funding section, not on the spot. So that means some of our crypto are in the spot section. So let's go back to our wallet and swap our crypto from spot to funding. We need all the that USDT to be on the funding section for it to reflect on P2P. So let's click on transfer from fiat and spot to funding. For the crypto, we are dealing with USDT, not BNB. So let's change that. As you can see, there are 12.94 USDT on spot section. So we are going to transfer all of them to funding. And that's it. All the crypto are now in funding. If you swap here, you'll see in funding there is 30.93. Okay. So let's go back to trading, then P2P, then sell. For the transaction amount, you can put in 4,000 instead of scrolling like earlier. Then let's select the payment method as M-Pesa. And here is Sergio again. So let's match with him. Sell USDT. Then you want to sell all. And then you can proceed to make a trade. For the payment, I can select bank transfer or M-Pesa. I just remembered that I recently added my bank as a payment method on Binance, so I can either receive on I&M or my M-Pesa. By the way guys, that is my phone number. I'm not going to hide it. You can reach out in case of any partnership or collaboration or any question you have. So we click on sell, and that's it. Our order is placed. Now we wait for Sergio to make payment of 3,992 Kenya shillings to my I&M account, after which he will mark that he has paid, and the payment received button will activate on my side, and I will confirm that I've received payment. Until then, we just wait, and be sure to confirm that you have received the money before confirming. Also, you can see the time remaining. There is a countdown of 15 minutes. So far, around 14 minutes remaining for him to make the payment. After the 14 minutes are over, the order usually cancels. So as you can see, he has clicked that he has made the payment. So let's head over to my I&M and confirm he has made the payment. Okay, seems some amount have been added. As you can see, that 992 have been added to my I&M account by Manuel Otieno Chieng. And with that, we can confirm that he has made the payment. So let's go back to Binance and confirm payment received. I have verified that I have received that 992 in my account from the buyer Emmanuel Otieno Chieng. So confirm release. Now we are going to finalize this process by verifying this trade with my security measure, which is passkey. And that's it. We have successfully sold crypto worth 39.92. You can click on the other if you want to sell more amount or buy more, but we are not doing that since we sold all our crypto for now. So we can review him. It was positive review and a past one. So let's leave comments. And that's it. That's how you sell crypto on Binance P2P. When you head over to your wallet, you'll notice that the funds have been deducted. And by the way, as we were waiting for him to make the payment, the USDT had been deducted from my wallet and had not been deposited to his wallet. They were held somewhere called escrow. That is a safety feature by Binance to protect its P2P traders. So you can see my funds are gone because I've already sold them. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you so much.